Sometimes I feel so low down and disgusted. Can't help but wonder what's happening to my companion. Are they lost or are they found? Have they counted the cost it'll take to bring down? Are there earthly principles they're gonna have to abandon? There's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend. I had a woman down in Alabama. She was a backwoods girl, but she sure was realistic. She said, boy, without a doubt, have to quit your whole mess and straighten out. You could die down here, be just another accident statistic. There's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend. And all that foreign oil control in American soil, look around you. It's just bound to make you embarrassed. Sheiks walking around like kings, wearing fancy jewels and no-hose rings, deciding America's future from Amsterdam and to Paris. And there's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend. Man's ego is inflated. His laws are outdated. They don't apply no more. You can't rely no more to be standing around waiting in the home of the brave. Jefferson turning over in his grave. Fools glorifying themselves, trying to manipulate Satan. And there's a slow, slow train coming up around that bend. Big time negotiators, false healers and women haters, masters of the bluff and masters of the proposition. But the enemy I see wears a cloak of decency. All non-believers and men stealers, talking in the name of religion. And there's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend. People starving and thirsting, grain elevators are bursting. Oh, you know it costs more to store the food than it do to give away. They say lose your inhibitions, follow your own ambitions. They talk about a life of brotherly love. Show me someone who knows how to live it. There's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend. Well, my baby went to Illinois with some bad talking boy she could destroy. Well, my baby went to Illinois with some bad talking boy she could destroy. A real suicide case, but there was nothing I could do to stop it. I don't care about economy, I don't care about astronomy, but it sure do bother me to see my loved ones turning into puppets. There's a slow, slow train coming up around the bend.